Normally, if a trading partner isn't already part of Cleo's network, our team can onboard them for you. But today, we'll walk you through how to take control and onboard trading partners yourself, quickly and easily, using Cleo Integration Cloud's self-service sample file upload capabilities. Often, you already have access to trading partner files. They may be flowing through your existing integration setup or provided directly by the partner. Cleo Integration Cloud lets you use these files to configure onboarding with minimal effort. From the Cleo Integration Cloud dashboard, navigate to the Network tab, click Partners, and select the Add Trading Partner button. Click Browse to upload the sample files that represent the transactions you want to configure for the partner. Then click Continue. Cleo Integration Cloud will automatically detect and display the documents associated with the partner, such as purchase orders, invoices, or shipping notices. Here, specify the transaction's direction, inbound or outbound, as well as the partner ID. Add a clear, human-friendly name to help you identify the partner later. Then click Create New Partner. Once the trading partner is created, open their profile to configure the connection details. This includes entering the trading IDs. Next, head to the Transactions tab to complete the setup. CIC automatically fills in segments and elements based on the files you uploaded. If additional segments or elements are required, click Trim and Add, then click All Fields, where you can select the segments or elements you need to add. To finish the configuration, click the gear icon to tie the transaction to your business process. Route Business Process ensures the file is processed correctly. Connection Business Process allows the generated EDI file to be sent to the trading partner. Finally, Endpoint defines where the file will be delivered. Click Save, then Publish. Once published, your configuration is live, and you're ready to start transacting with your new trading partner. With this self-service onboarding capability, your team can bring trading partners online faster on your own timeline. That's how easy it is to onboard trading partners in Cleo Integration Cloud using sample files. For more information, please contact our team at sales@cleo.com.